Everyone who's ever caught one of those ridiculous 100x meme coins has one thing in common. They were either glued to their computer screen for 16 hours a day, or they just stopped trading like it's 2023. Because here's what actually happens. Some celebrity launches a coin, some insane tweet drops, and I know what half of you do. You see it on your phone and you start sprinting to your laptop. My friend, by the time you've opened the lid, typed your password, entered the CA, the coin is already at $1 million market cap. The entry was in those first few seconds, and you spent them running around the house doing cardio. That's the brutal part about these launches. The money isn't made by the smartest trader, it's made by whoever gets filled first. So today I'm putting two of the biggest mobile trading apps head to head. Two phones, two apps. On this phone, Fomo, the app that's all over crypto Twitter right now. And on this phone, GMGN. The test is extremely simple. Same coin, same amount, and I hit buy on both phones at the exact same moment. Both screens will be recorded with a timer down to the millisecond, and whichever app actually gets me in first and closest to the price I clicked wins the round. But one test would be way too easy. First, we're testing them on a quiet coin, the one with little volume. But then we're testing them during a live pump, when absolutely everyone is trying to buy at the same time, because that is when the apps break. And the winner, as always, has to pass one final test. I'm gonna use it to try to make actual money live. Let's go. Alright guys, the first thing we're gonna compare is the interface. If the app is not easy to use, if the things are slow, if the features are hidden, the app is Let's first check the Fomo app. Remember, the purple phone Fomo, the orange phone GMGN. To download the app, you just type in Fomo in App Store or Play Store if you're broke. This is the official Fomo app. We press download. Once you're in, you can sign in with your Apple ID or with your Google account. I'm gonna use my Google account. We're in, but to start trading, we have to deposit first. So we click deposit. Pretty logical. It's a huge blue button that you cannot miss. I guess they really want you to deposit. So you click it and you have three options: crypto, debit, and apps. Apps like Revolut and Coinbase. I guess I'll just deposit crypto. It's much faster. I already have USDC on another wallet. Solana. Of course, Solana. Our dear Solana. What else? We don't cheat on Solana. This is our deposit wallet address on the Solana blockchain that we can send our Solana USDC to. I'm gonna copy that and send around 70 USDC from my other wallet. Alright, so here is where it gets interesting. You can buy crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and many others. You can trade perps, meaning that you can short or long these coins. You can also trade stocks, commodities, indices, FX, pre-IPOs. But we're here for meme coins. Let's try to find them, because so far it's very confusing. I cannot see like the normal trenches. I can only see the coins that are over like $1 million market cap. Let's click on graduated maybe. Okay, that's where they are. They're in the graduated tab. Let's select Solana only, not to get confused. There is no new pairs here. I don't know why. Maybe because they're too risky. Even in the graduated section, they said trade with heightened caution, as if we don't trade new pairs every single day. Well, I guess our experiment is going to be in the graduated tokens today, because there's simply no new pairs here. But I think in GMGN there are new pairs, so stay tuned. We're going to find out very soon. Overall, the interface feels very sleek. It feels very minimalistic, maybe a bit too minimalistic, because there's no new pairs. But I really like this feature. It's like a global chat. It's like Twitter, but you can click on the coin and buy it straight away. It's very useful. There's also a leaderboard for the best traders for the past 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, and etc. And this guy here made over $130,000 in the past 24 hours. And the all-time best is this change guy who made over $2.5 million. And I'm sitting here with my 70 bucks that I deposited for this experiment. I feel broke as fuck. But hopefully at the end of the video, when I do the live trading session, I'll be able to turn this $70 into something meaningful. So stay tuned. Alright, let's put Fomo aside for now until our speed test and check out GMGN. Here the login process is very similar. Just click this button. Here we have much more options. So if you don't want to log in through your Google account, through your Apple ID, you can just use your email. Once you type in your email, you're gonna receive a code. Just enter that code into the app and you're done. To get the real GMGN app, use the link in the description to avoid fakes. To be honest, here in the GMGN app, the interface is much easier to understand. Like right away you see coins. You see Solana, you see Robinhood, you see Base, Ethereum. Let's click trenches. And yes, we have new pairs. So this is like a real trading terminal that you have on your computer, but inside your phone. We have new pairs, almost bonded, migrated like any other trading terminal. Let's click on track. And here we have a wallet tracker. Let's track Scented, for example. We click follow, track, confirm, and it's done. We're following Scented now, and we can see every single trade of this wallet. And here's the call out section where people are calling out coins that they think will perform well. An X tracker, an inbuilt X tracker. Let's add an account, let's say Donald Trump, the Memecoin GOAT, and we see every single tweet of Donald Trump in real time. Then there is also a copy trading feature. I'm personally against copy trading. I think it's not a sustainable way to make money, but you can give it a shot. There are some wallets here that are consistently making money, and to copy them, you just click on let's say this wallet, then click copy now, select the amount you want to copy trade with, the amount of times you want to copy trade for, and the sell method, which is very important, whether you want to sell on his sell, whether you want to sell on dev sell when the coin migrates. And to start copying, you obviously press copy. Now I don't have any money yet. We're gonna deposit in a bit. We're gonna see how the whole deposit process works here on GMGN. And here are the top callers of GMGN. And this guy Danny here called out Jimothy for 256x. So if we had followed his call, even with the 70 bucks that we have in Fomo, we would have made almost $18,000. This is for the people that think meme coins are dead. Now let's try to deposit. Great, we can deposit Solana. I'm not sure if we could deposit Solana on Fomo. I didn't see this option. Comment down below if you can. This is extremely convenient for me. Let's deposit one Solana. We copy our Solana address. And like Fomo, it took a couple of seconds and our Solana landed. And now is the moment of truth. Speed test number 1. I'm like one of those unks with 2 phones and a mysterious source of income. Now for the first speed test, we have to find a quiet coin with little volume. But for the second test, it is extremely important that we find a coin with a lot of attention. Because I saw people on X complain that Fomo failed to execute trades during high volume. And we have to check that. While I was waiting for a decent coin for our speed experiment, I spotted a decent narrative on Axiom, throw in 0.7 Sol, and made 1.1 Sol. Just imagine, I'm trading on both of my phones, my laptop, and that's not enough. I need more. I need more screens. Guys, lock in. Lock the fuck in. And you know what? Let's trade the same coin on our 2 phones to see which app is the fastest. Even though there is quite a lot of volume there at the moment, so our quiet test would not be so quiet after all, but for our second experiment, we're gonna have to find an even bigger coin. Let's click buy, 10 bucks. First on Fomo, we have to type the amount we wanna buy in with. Then we have to fucking slide. Then fucking face ID. I'm joking, but yeah, it's way too long. On GMGN, we're gonna buy in with 0.1 Sol. 3, 2, 1. As close as I possibly could. We're in. Let's sell everything right away because we're not here to make money, we're here to check which app is faster and to find out which app actually won down to the millisecond. All we have to do is just copy our wallet addresses, head over to solscan.io and find our actual buy transaction data for Alex Jobs coin. And as you can see for the first experiment, the timing is identical. Down to the millisecond, you got 0.13 here and 0.13 here. But now let's find a coin that's pumping really hard to see if anything is gonna change. But before we do that, please note that GMGN sponsored this video, but that changes absolutely nothing. The timer doesn't lie. Well, I mean, the transaction history doesn't lie. And by the way, on my laptop, my average entry is like 12.4k, and it peaked at 106. If I wasn't filming this, I would have probably held it longer. I would have sold like probably 25 here and 50 here, and I would have probably let the rest ride. But yeah, the trenches are on fire currently. I really like the direction we're moving in. You know what? Let's add the total fees paid filter here. So we click on basics and total fees. Let's put at least 1. Guys, we have a runner, but I cannot see it on Fomo. It's not there yet. Bro, it's flying. And it's a decent narrative as well. Come on, Fomo, we're missing out. Fomo, wake up. Here it is. Buy 50 bucks. The fee is almost $1. That's not fair. We have to adjust our trading preset, guys. Okay, let's do it at least 10. 0.20. Okay, we have 0.01 for both bribe and priority fee here on GMGN. 0.1, 10 bucks. 3, 2, 1. Just so you know, I spotted it at 30k, and I missed out on a 10x because of this challenge. You have to subscribe. Now's the moment of truth. We head over to solscan.io to see which app was the fastest. And the coin is at 400k now. What the fuck? Let's start with Fomo. As you can see on the top, $9.8 CAT GPT coin, so this is the exact transaction. Our Fomo wallet address at the bottom and the timestamp of 14:56:49. We head over to GMGN, 0.1 Sol or $9, the same as Fomo, CAT GPT coin, and exactly the same once again, like down to the millisecond. So execution-wise, I'd put these apps approximately on the same level. But, a very important but, we found this 500,000 market cap runner on GMGN much earlier than Fomo. We had to wait for like 2 minutes for it to even appear there. Both apps are great, but if you cannot see a coin, how can you enter? So because of that, I guess GMGN is our today's winner. So right now, I'll use it to make actual money trading meme coins live right in front of you while walking you through my thought process along the way. Let's go. Alright, for our money making session, let's focus on the new pair section. But first, let's quickly adjust our our filters. Here, let's unselect everything except pump, fun, and bonk. Now let's click on basics. There is a really cool filter here that lets you exclude vamped coins through Yuxento on rapid launch, because most devs at the moment don't vamp coins manually. Doing it manually takes way too long, and by the time they launch, it becomes irrelevant. So they use tools like Yuxento and rapid launch to essentially just vamp a coin with a single click. By the way, guys, if you want a deving video, just drop a comment and I'll make it. Here we leave everything blank. In the market cap section, put minimum of 7k. Top 10 holding percentage max, let's put max 35. Minimum total fees paid 0.3, and that's about it. Let's not put anything too extreme. It's looking much better now. We're gonna get less distracted. What is this Clarity coin? It keeps pumping. Solana is getting wicked because of White House Crypto Summit. If we check the name, they literally gave us free narrative from uncertainty to clarity. I mean, everything is looking good except the website, coingape.com. I don't think I'm gonna touch it. Let's buy this dip in the upcut coin. Great candle. You can put it on a table in a restaurant. It's amazing. It's a coin about this cute cat that was sitting on a tree, and there was a cute caption like something like, "Our koalas welcome here." Boom! It migrated. Let's sell 25 here. It's looking good. 25 here. Wow, it's at 50k. 25 here. To be honest, I don't really like the fact that there's no tweet attached, only a Reddit link. So let's just sell everything here. What a sell, guys. Just look at this trade. You can put it in a frame and put it on a wall. How the fuck do I generate a PNL here? Okay, here it is. And wow, you can actually see the entry and exit positions on the PNL. A bit more than a 2x. I think the whole trade took me like 5 minutes. Don't forget that you can get this app through the link in the description. Just open this link through your mobile device, download it, and enjoy. And of course, by using that link in the description, you also get 10% of all trading fees. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any cool video ideas, make sure to share them in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this one, please like, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.